You came here, we shared that information with you. On a hindsight means I'm more clever now, and you should take it in that spirit and continue to fight. I thought Winnie Mandela died, but Winnie Mandela is multiplied. Thank you very much.
I receive. Thank you.
Illuminate yourself, align with the current affairs, be factual and reasonable. On this video, we are going to talk about Sello Julius Malema, all the rumors and allegations and the pep talks about him avoiding to be into the ad hoc committee because there are some people that are close to him that are maybe friends in a dirty world that he avoids to confront, and also him calling that Miss Johnson of IDEC, comparing her in his own fashion to Winnie Madikizela Mandela. Greetings to everyone, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And remember to hit the notif button so that we can be able to see when the next video is available. And thanks for everyone that has already subscribed. I really appreciate it. Fellow South African and everybody else around the world or in Africa, there is something that I want the fighters to be able to tell me in their approach on this fashion of the things. It can either be the fighters or anybody else. But I want to say this before. We must remember that when something comes up, there is always distraction of certain negative or a good thing that is happening. And I will always ask over and over again, where is that woman with 10 babies, 10 triplets? Where is she? That is the reflection of the approach that we take as a South Africans. We fail to focus on constructive and relevant information and dwell into trends, breaking news, and for a bigger part, populism and breaking rights. Now, we know we are into Madlanga Commission and ad hoc committees. Everybody within his political party will be dealing with to have breaking rights, to say, my leader was there, he spoke, and then he didn't speak. But remember, it is only for breaking rights, that pride, but it doesn't mean it has material outcome. For example, if the MKP members have said they have won the breaking rights, Jacob Zuma took a photo with Ibrahim Traore. What is next? What can you say except the breaking rights? You did materially benefit. How is that going to advance you? So now, with Julius Malema, then they try to build a big thing. Then it's up to the EFF members whether that is how they look into. Remember, for yourself as the EFF members, you have to go and look into any other thing that somebody else does. Did that thing tempered with the 7 pillars? I know there's a 7 pillars, but I don't know what are they. Like one by one, I can say there they talk about the bank, the land, and what. Did what anybody say or do tempered with the 7 pillars? Do you expect yourself as 100, 500, 5,000, 50,000, 500,000 members of the party to agree on everything? When you cannot agree with your brother on 5 things, when you cannot agree with your wife on 10 things, can you, as members of the party, 500,000, agree on every single thing? It will never happen. But what you do, look at your basic. That's what everybody must do in all the different parties. You understand? So what I'm going to say is, the notion is brought to say, why wasn't he there when Sibia was there? You understand? But remember, those people are asking questions. They are not telling you what is the reason. They just doing what is, in other words, they want the public opinion to judge. They bring a hanging information. Don't say he was not there because of 1, 2, 3. They also don't know, but they just give the view. And then it's up to you to be morally weak to go and listen to what the people are saying instead of saying they must authenticize. They must verify. It's them that saying, let them come and prove what they say. You understand? And then at that time you find in that instance on the weekend he was at a funeral in his hometown, and then there can be other reasons for Castle Matale. And for myself, in my personal view, I would say I wouldn't attend and participate that much in questioning Matale because of the close relationship into, it's like he's also a Mushabi and things like that. Now, when you come maybe in his stance and then you try to answer, they'll be saying, yeah, no, he was so light and polite on his own close person, you know. Otherwise, the people, they throw all the tantrums and then everything over that. But for somebody like myself, I am not going to go around and then be trying to stretch myself about the pep talks and the breaking rights. You people can brag and say, yeah, my leader asked a lot of questions and then he hit them. But I got nothing to do with that. I don't read these books behind of me to come and deal with the breaking rights. You understand? No, Julius Malema compared that woman, Miss Johnson, to Winnie Mandela. Now it means South Africa will never have minerals. We are not going to get the land without compensation because Julius Malema compared that woman with Winnie Mandela. You learn to try to spend your energy on the bigger things, because these people will taunt you, will challenge you, will test your level of reasoning. I'm saying illuminate yourself, align with the current affairs, have facts and reason. You cannot come and just say, use every single person's opinion and views to try to channel you. You know, I am saying that. Now, if everybody think for any other political party, not only for EFF, only other, if that's how you think you are going to deal with the matters or the issues in regard to Madlanga Commission and ad hoc committee, you are spending your energy in a wrong way. You still have to verify the information. So now you go there and then use the breaking rights as the foundation of proving someone wrong. And then all over everybody saying, yeah, why did you compare Winnie Mandela? Yes, for talking you can say, but you cannot do that. But do you all have to spend our energy on such a minor thing? Is there where I must spend my energy? No, there's a lot of important issues with the country where I can spend time on. So it is breaking rights until any person that alleges, if you make an allegation about something, it is you that must come and prove it. And then if you don't, and then if I don't listen to you, say, you are stupid, you are just following blindly, but you didn't use the correct measures, the world view of how you authenticize and verify the information that you give to me. Let us hear what everybody say on the comment section. I will not use the breaking rights or opinions to come and establish the truth or the facts. Thanks for watching the video.